fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more monkeys jumping on the bed." Great job telling me to get those monkeys to stop jumping on the bed. Say, "No, monkeys, no. Don't jump on the bed." Shake your head, "No, no, no, no."